Patrick Marfelius from Patch Grove, sponsored by Marfelius Farms. In the number 65 car, we have Christian Black from Wood Cross, sponsored by the Blackhawk R&B Rentals at Backwoods Party Bus. In the number 14, we have Chase Hudson from Morocco, sponsored by Canby Coors. In the 182, we have Jordan Von Lon from La Crescent, Minnesota. And the 32 car, Caleb Corey from Viola, sponsored by Noble Mail.
Hey, quit.
You quit. Contagious.
Everyone?
All 7 cars are in the arena now. Let's get them lined up, boys. Line them up.
That guy's stuck already? What the hell?
One more time, if you are on the white fence, please find yourself in a kneeling or a sitting position so everyone can see the great demo derby action here tonight. All right, folks, we got the gate closed and we have 7 cars in the demo arena. Count it down, folks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow.
Looks like the 21B car lifts off that flag. Thanks for coming on down. Braden Hammond from New Albany, Iowa. And the 651 car, that was Whitney Hansen from Westby. Thanks to Dash Garage and AJ Jack of all trades. In the number 25 car, that's Patrick Marvelius from Patch Grove. Thanks for coming on down from Marvelius Farm. Looks like number 14 mission out there is to make sure there is no mosquitoes in the pits tonight. The number 14 car, that's Chase Hudson from Viroqua. Thanks for coming on down.
Oh my gosh.
We have
There's two left. Yay! Yeah. That's a radiator. He messed up his car.
all right, folks, if you're looking for the 65 car, that's Christian Black from La Crosse. Make some noise. And if you're looking in that 32 car from Caleb Corey from Iowa, Liberia.
Look at all that exhaust or whatever. Thermostat.
Well, fire under 32. Fire under 32. I think it's taken care of. In the 32 car, that is Caleb Corey. If you're looking for his rear axle, he did the delete kit. He ain't worried about that.